Hello, my name is Carmen Pemsler,
My name is Nate Cooper.
and we will be presenting our temporary land use project on behalf of the rest of our team at Dream Team Engineering Company. Myself and Nate worked alongside three other engineers at our firm to complete this project. Amanda Mullins is our geotechnical engineer, Luke Eckroth in hydraulics, Garrett Dahl working in structural, Nate as our AutoCAD and 3D visualizations expert, and myself as the transportation engineer. The city of Nampa asked us to prepare a private property located in Carter Junction for urban growth. The 450,000 square foot site is situated near the Nampa wastewater treatment plant and borders the city's railroad. It also has Indian Creek running through the property. A meat processing and packing plant previously occupied the land. Our plan is to build a temporary park that will be open to the community until the property is bought as a residential area. It was important to us to execute construction in a cost-effective and sustainable way while also beautifying the environment.
So here we have our site plan for the Indian Creek crossing. We located the fire suppression water tank underground in the southern corner of the property to keep it out of the way and close to a water supply. For the crossing, we decided to locate our new bridge in the same location as the existing crossing on the site. The road approaching the crossing has a bike lane and a sidewalk, and we have also included a sort of green belt along the southern side of Indian Creek. There is also a parking lot so that the site can be used as a park until further development takes place. In this crossing site plan, we have the dimensions of the approaching roadway as well as the crossing shown. Our crossing is a 20-foot wide by 40-foot long steel bridge, and the approaching roadway has a 6-foot wide bike lane and a 5-foot wide sidewalk on each side. The stoplight shown will be used to control the traffic control, so only one direction of traffic crosses the bridge at a time. So here we have the parking site plan. It shows the dimensions of the parking lot, and the parking lot facilitates one direction of traffic. There will also be 4 Tesla charging stations as shown, and we will be planting native trees and plants along the greenbelt, as well as in the landscaped areas of the parking lot to help with the sustainability of the site. So here we have a walkthrough of the 3D model we have created. We are approaching the crossing from the north here, and we are just about to pass the red stoplight before the road merges into one lane to cross over the crossing. The crossing has one 15-foot wide lane and a sidewalk with guardrails on the sides. So now we are going up a small 5% grade up to the parking lot. The parking lot will be covered in more detail later, but there will be room for 45 cars, including a few accessible spaces. And this parking lot was sized to fit the expected capacity of the park. You can also see some of the landscaped areas shown in green on the inside of that parking lot. So here we're back approaching our other stoplight that works with the previous light to ensure that there's only one direction of traffic moving at a time. And then we are now about to start moving down our green belt. The green belt shown in teal, as that's about the color it will glow in the dark. This green belt will be able to help with bike and pedestrian safety in low light conditions since it does glow. And now we're about to look back at the bridge crossing. It is a steel bridge with a non-load bearing concrete arch for aesthetic purposes.
So this is a more detailed 3D render of the parking lot that Nate described previously. It has 45 spaces for cars, 2 of which that are accessible parking spaces and 4 containing Tesla superchargers. The lot has one-way travel and has a sidewalk located in the middle. We wanted to make sure to place the Tesla superchargers and accessible parking spaces in appropriate locations as to accommodate accessibility and safety. That concludes our presentation. At this time, we would like to thank all of our industry sponsors, as well as the Department of Civil Engineering at Boise State University. Please reach out to our team if you have any further questions. Thank you for your time.